Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you remember, last time we left off with this very UI we're trying to make in PenPot. PenPot was and a design alternative we actually found, trying to see what else can we do if we don't have Figma. Figma still remains the best option for me, alright, and I believe it's actually there for everybody. Everybody have been using that, it's quite fluid. And but in this, because we started out this design in PenPot, I really just want to finish it up and let's build something out of it. All right, so if you check out here, it might be new to you, but that's exactly the learning curve, right? So I've gone ahead to add some libraries into this place. So if you go to libraries, all right, you must have downloaded your own file. So the link to these very guys that you need to download is in the description. So just all you need is just to upload them and then add it as a shareable library into your PenPot, and you're going to be able to do that. There's another video to actually how to do this, how to do the whole process. So if you can't find how to do this on your own, then watch that video first. It's linked in the description, and then you'll be able to add these icons so they can actually continue. So just all you need to do is just to pause this video, watch the other one on how to add these very libraries, just kind of free icon set that we use to get some other things that we might need in the design if you want to follow along. But if you don't want to follow along, I just want to see what's going on, and maybe you want to follow only on the Flutter app development part, then it's okay. So I've already added these icons and I've made it a shared library so that I can reuse it in any project that I'm working on in this space. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pick this icon, this repeat and shuffle. So I'm just going to search them, repeat. Okay, so I'm going to drag it out here. Then I'm going to also find the next one is shuffle. So I'm going to drop it here. So just for us to create this illusion of real application stuff, right? We need to also adjust this guy a little bit. So I think the distance is not quite that big. Okay, so that done. I'm gonna take this one a little bit inside. And this one as well. Okay, so that's it for this. So the next thing you need to do is probably just to grab an image and drop it somewhere on this to become the album art. So we also need to create this next screen so that it looks very much rich. I'm gonna do Frank Ocean and probably just see if I can find that image that looks like what we have in the previous design. Not sure, but okay, seems this is the image. I'm gonna just do copy image. So I'm gonna paste it here. So okay, so that's it. I'll probably just, let me see if I can find the next image because we're going to be doing the next screen now. So this white t-shirt and the blue short, let's see if it's anywhere here around. Let's just take this one, copy image, paste. The image is a little large, so it will take a little time to come. All right, so let's quickly jump into making the other screen. So I'm just going to duplicate this artboard. if you're just new, you've not watched the other video where we started out this very work, you can actually go watch it. It's linked on the description, and it's going to actually give you a hint on how to do this. All right. So the image is here, slightly bigger. So I'm just going to scale it down. So it will be there. All right, let's go ahead and see what we can add. We might not really replicate everything because we're not going to add this back button, because in the app we're going to be making, we're not putting that. This is going to just serve as the home screen of the application. So we don't need to add the back buttons or the overflow icon menu here. So I think the only thing we might just need to add is the only thing we might need to just add that I think is important is this heart icon. So let me just see if I can find that heart. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. So guys, been able to get this UI up. So in the next part of it is we're just gonna do small adjustments and add this numbering. If you check here, we'll have a numbering. So you're just gonna add the numbering. We're not gonna be doing this particular part of the app, so we're just gonna be doing adding the numbering and getting some images for us to do this. So that's what we're gonna be doing next. So let's do that next. So this is it for this particular video, and the next thing we're going to be doing is actually trying to build this in Flutter, right? So we're going to be creating this UI that we actually created here in Flutter, right? So sit back and then let's get into that one. If you don't have Flutter installed in your machine already, if this is your first time of actually getting into Flutter, this is also a good opportunity. There's some videos already that will walk you through how to set up your machine, install Flutter SDK, and walk you through the basic Flutter code, and then you can be able to join this one. If you just want to jump in already, maybe you have prior Flutter experience and you just want to be able to sync your UI experience to that of building from design to actually the actual code and running it on your device. So this is just what this particular next tutorial is going to be about. So I'll see you inside, guys.